right. Name something Hitchhiker might be holding that will make you not pick him up.
A severed body part?
That's dark. Am I the dark one? Am I the bad one?
A severed body part.
Sounded right? Like, would you pick up a gun?
Just thumbing with somebody else's thumb. Severed body part.
You're welcome.
This is the dumbest game. You can give an answer that has no business being up there, and bing, it's up there. Because she faced 3 other people. It just take 3. It's 3 other crazy people like her just standing there. Just standing there with a leg. Just